If you want to start Amazon FBA, then stop Googling, what do you need? You're just gonna get overwhelmed. After making over £500,000 in profit, I've realized that you only need 4 things to build a 6-figure business. And one of them is completely free. In this video, I'm gonna be breaking down my ultimate FBA starter pack for 2026. Get these 4 things right and you will succeed. So let's get into it. So the number one most important thing to have on your side is good deal analysis software. You need something that you can just look at a glance and determine straight away whether there is profit in this product, whether it's worth researching further, or whether it's just a dud and you should skip it. My go-tos for this are Profit Go and SellerAmp SaaS. They're almost identical bits of software. Honestly, if you're going to pick between the two, I'd go with Profit Go because it's slightly cheaper and is actually a little bit better than SellerAmp SaaS. It offers much better features and has a constant stream of new updates for new features as well. SellerAmp SaaS is more well known. It's more it's been around for longer, but Profit Go, I would say, is kind of the new best thing on the market. Basically, what these tools do is they calculate the profit for you for any product. So you're able to just type in the price you're getting it at and the price you're selling it at, and it will work out the profit with all the Amazon fees, all the shipping, all of those kind of costs, and tell you how much money you're making at the end of the day per unit that you sell. It'll also tell you important information like the number of other sellers on the listing. It will give you a brief glimpse into the price history and a whole bunch of other useful data that you need to know about a listing. This is absolutely non-negotiable. There is no way that I could work without using one of these bits of software. And unfortunately, it is just something you have to pay for. SellerAmp SaaS is about £15 a month. I think Profit Go is about £12 per month. So luckily it's not too expensive, but it's definitely non-negotiable. Number 2 is you need a good tool to analyze the product in better detail. And that's where Keeper comes in. Keeper is like the crystal ball for Amazon listings. It will tell you the detailed price history from the very moment that that listing was created. It will tell you a huge amount of data from the sales rank to the average prices over the past X amount of days, to the stock history of sellers on the listing, to the variation information such as the product sales ranks and whether they're kind of linked or not. Literally just any other bit of data that you need about an Amazon listing, you can find through Keeper. Now, a lot of people think that, oh, if you're already using Profit Go and you can always see the price history on that, why would you need Keeper? And it's simply that Keeper shows you it in much more detail. It shows you many more stats as well. It's not purely just about price history. Like if you're just using Keeper from just the price history, you're not using it properly. There is so much more to Keeper than just price history. As well as just the actual product analysis side of Keeper, they've also got the Keeper deals page, which shows you all the items that have recently dropped in price on Amazon. From there, you can find everything from massive sales on goods that you can buy up and sell at the higher price, so that is the average. And you can even find full-on Amazon price errors that allow you to snipe like £100 items for 20 quid. Keeper Product Finder as well is another really useful tool integrated into Keeper. This is a bit of software that basically allows you to get really specific with all the kind of metrics of an Amazon listing. Say you only want to look at Amazon listings where Amazon is out of stock at least 50% of the time. They sell at least 50 times per month. They've got less than 10 other competitive sellers on the listing, but at least 2 just to cut out the brands that you can't sell that are just sold by one single person. And you want to do all this just for one specific category. Keeper Product Finder is how you can do that. Keeper Product Finder is a whole sourcing method in itself. If you get really specific with the filters, the idea behind it is that you can then just Google search all of the products on that list and hopefully find some fast selling, profitable products that you can sell on Amazon. So yeah, Keeper is definitely non-negotiable and it really does go hand in hand with Profit Go. Number 3 is you need a good cashback and coupon code extension. So for cashback, Top Cashback is my go-to. It's reseller friendly, so they're never going to ban you for making too much cashback, which I've actually proved lately because they actually did email me after making about 20 grand in cashback over the past few years. They asked me how exactly I've done that, why exactly do I buy so much, and I told them, yep, I'm a reseller, I sell on Amazon, and they completely approved my account, no questions asked. And this is literally free money. I mean, some sites will only give you maybe 1% cashback, but I've seen sites go as high as 20% cashback on a sale. That means you're making a purchase for £100 and they've just given you back 20 quid of that for free. And all it takes is literally just signing up to Top Cashback. There'll be a QR code on screen now to get signed up with them. Now, as well as cashback, coupons are also super important when you're doing online arbitrage. All the best deals are usually hidden behind a coupon code, and tools like Honey and Cooper will allow you to find those coupon codes, test them out automatically on the checkout page and get those items even cheaper. Every pound you save on a product is a pound basically you've made in profit. So definitely don't skimp out on these, even if it's only an extra 5 or 10% discount. That really can mean everything when you're doing Amazon FBA. And most importantly, tool number 4. This is the LiveCops community and the deals that they offer in that group. You can have all the tools in the world, all the best Chrome extensions, but if you have no support network, no other sellers to network with, nobody to kind of ask whether or not a deal is good or ask questions about Amazon, then you're just gonna fail. And LiveCops gives you all of that. You can join the LiveCops free community, as the name would suggest, completely for free, and instantly get access to a huge support network of other sellers, as well as state-of-the-art software and AI bots that you can ask questions and even ask you to analyze leads for you. I'll show you on screen now our LiveCops Genius bot, which is available completely for free in the free community. So here you can see I've asked it, how can I get ungated for Samsung, and asked it to give me some retailers that will provide VAT invoices to send off to Amazon to get approved to sell Samsung. And you can see straight away it is giving me a whole bunch of retailers. It's giving me their VAT information, and I can even go one step further and I can ask it to actually analyze a deal for me. So here I've given it the ASIN, I've given it the cost price. Obviously it takes a few seconds to pull the relevant data that it needs to actually analyze this deal, but after 10 seconds or so you'll see it generates this huge little embed here which shows you all the information about the product, the sales rank, how much it sells per month. So you can see this listing sells about 100 times per month. We're getting this at £50. It's currently on Amazon at 112. So this is instantly a 5 out of 5 excellent deal. According to the AI, it says that you definitely should be buying this. Gives you a little bit of information about the analysis of the listing, like what it actually thinks about the listing. Gives you some pros and cons as well as any kind of key risks. It'll break down the Amazon fees for you as well, and even give you a little price history chart so you can see how stable or how erratic the pricing is on Amazon. So this is an absolutely amazing tool for beginners, and to be able to access all of this for free with no subscription costs is pretty awesome. Now, if you do want to take it one step further, the LiveCops paid community is definitely where it's at. So in the LiveCops paid group, we make it so much easier. You don't even have to be sourcing yourself. You can literally just buy the profitable flips that our huge team of staff are finding for you. At the time of recording this video, we have a team of over 40 people, both based in the UK as well as the Philippines, finding you products around the clock. And you can see some of these products here. So for instance, we've got this sells 500 times a month. We're making about £2.20 profit per unit. Not too bad profit wise, but the ROI is pretty awesome. You know, we're making about 56% ROI. Here, for example, we've got this Logitech webcam. So this sells 300 times a month. We're making about a tenner per unit. If you bought 100 units, right, just a third of the monthly demand, that's straight away you're making £1,000 in profit from just that one single lead that we posted about a week ago. That one lead pays for literally like a lifetime membership to the LiveCops group. LiveCops really is the ultimate shortcut for making money with Amazon FBA. And that is it. Profit Go, Keeper, Top Cashback and Cooper and Honey, as well as the LiveCops group, is really my total kind of stack for making profit on Amazon. That really is everything you need to get started, kind of the bare bones essentials for making money with Amazon FBA. So if you are interested in joining the LiveCops free community, head down to the video description and there'll be a link right at the top where you can join today. Again, completely for free. So stop guessing and start selling.